Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avinash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, the market is open and we got to see some craziness right after the market opening. That's why I always tell you guys that market opening and market closing are very dangerous. And or in simple words, Monday mornings and Friday evenings are very dangerous. If you're a beginner, you need to be cautious. And while we were sleeping, the Asian traders were sleeping like me. Market formed this candle, and to be honest, I was shocked to see this candle. Market made a low of almost 2000. Okay, and right now we can see that gold is standing at 2021. Those who were having a buy position, hope you made some money, because we discussed about the possibility of market going up if market crosses 2016, and our target was around 2021. So if you took a buy, then hopefully you made some money. And if you miss the market, if you were also sleeping like me, then you need to look for fresh trading opportunities in the market. And if you're looking for detailed analysis, then please watch the video that I uploaded on Saturday, because I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. So on Saturday, we discussed about the possibility of a trend reversal, because slowly the structure of the market is changing on higher time frame as well as on lower time frame, and we need gold above 2031. Then only we will get the confirmation that finally the structure of the market has changed. Because for any trend reversal, we cannot rely on indicators. Okay, indicators are not independent, they are mostly dependent on price is the main thing. So we need gold above 2031, then only it will be a confirmation that finally we are having a trend reversal. But before the level of 2031 or 2031, we have multiple resistances. So let's discuss one by one. So day traders, you can clearly see the trend of the market is up, and there is no doubt about it. There is no doubt about it. So the big resistance on the chart of gold is around 2031, or let's make it 2032 to 2028. This is the big resistance. The box here is the level, okay, where the world is keeping an eye. Because if market reverses from here, we can go for a sell, and if gold breaks the level, do not go for an immediate buy, because there may be some traps also. Just wait for some time. If possible, wait for 2 to 3 hours, let the market settle. Once you'll get a clear picture that okay, gold is trading comfortably, then only go for a buy. And if possible, if we get an opportunity, then it would be better to go for buy at pullback. Okay, that will be much better to take an opportunity. But sometimes market doesn't come for pullback, but still we need to be careful, so do not buy immediately. Okay, so 2032 to 2028 is the level where we can look for a sell if market reverses from there, and if market shows extreme buying or bullishness, we can go for a buy as well. Okay, and you can see that I have also marked a line at 2025. 2025 is for risky traders. You can look for a sell. Okay, you can look for a sell. How much you can expect? You can expect around 30 pips. Okay, not 40, 40, 45, 50, around 25 to 30 pips, because we can see till date market has been respecting our FIBO. So as a day trader or as a scalper, we can look for a sell around 2025, because we have FIBO 50% retracement level. Okay, in case market drops suddenly big time, nobody can predict the market. Okay, but at least we have a level here. So if market reverses during the Asian and European session, because volume is not very high during these two sessions, so if market reverses, we can look for a sell here as well. But this level is not very strong, keep in mind. Okay, so if you're a beginner, if you're not in a position to take any risk, don't go for it. Okay, this kind of trades or trades going against the trend of the market are only for risk takers. Okay, and no need to take risk if you can't accept it. As you guys already know, that the world's most affordable forex trading workshop is back again. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support that I conduct in both हिंदी and English language, दोनों language में होता है. You will find all the details on the website. It's a 3 days workshop, and these are topics that we will be discussing during the 3 days. Keep in mind, this workshop is not for complete beginners. This workshop has been designed only for those people who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months and years. I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. There is a questionnaire at the first so that you can understand whether the workshop will be beneficial or useful for you or not. So you must be wondering what will happen in support. So in support, okay, there will be weekly lessons, and these are the topics that we will be discussing in our weekly lessons or weekly classes. And you will be receiving regular market updates like this. You can see this is a March workshop, and these are the regular market updates, analysis, everything about the market, so that you stay in touch with the market, you stay ahead of the market. And we also have a Telegram community so that you can talk with other or interact with other traders. It's a colorful community. You will find traders from all around the world. You can ask questions, you can share your ideas. It's a lovely community. You can see the next workshop dates are for English classes 1, 2, and 3, first, second, and 3rd of March, and Hindi classes 9, 10, and 11th of March. And if you're unable to manage time, you don't need to worry. I record everything because people from all around the world participate, but because of time difference, sometimes they cannot attend. So I record each and every session. The classes will be conducted over Google Meet. And once you are done with the payment, okay, you need to share a screenshot to this number. Yeah, the best part is the payment. You can see here 3 days workshop with 1 month support is only $15 or rupees 1000, and these are the benefits you will be receiving. And yeah, trading takes time. Trading is a journey. So if you're looking for longer support and personal sessions, you can also sign up for semi-annual and lifetime support. These are also very affordable. So in semi-annual, okay, apart from the Telegram community access and the WhatsApp updates analysis, you will also be having personal one-on-one sessions with me. You can see here for semi-annual, it's only $65 or rupees 4000 for Indians. And if you love me, if you like my work, then yeah, you can also sign up for the lifetime support. It's only rupees 8000 or only $125. Okay, hopefully, okay, it will be beneficial and useful for you. These are the payment options. So once you're done with the payment, just share a screenshot to this WhatsApp number or email here with your WhatsApp number so that I can add you to the groups immediately. Thank you so much. And we can look for buy around the previous level of 2015 to 2016. Remember, this was the resistance, okay, till last week. So if market drops, then observe the market around this area, especially during the European session, because US session sometimes act crazy. Okay, so if you see the market is coming for retracement, obviously you can look for buy at retracement, isn't it? Considering the trend of the market, buy at retracement seems to be the safe trading strategy as of now. So if market comes around 2015, 2016, we can look for buy retracement because the previous resistance will be working as support here. And in case market surprises everyone, surprises the whole world with extreme selling, extreme retracement, in that case, we can look for buy around 2004 to 2005. The blue line that I have marked here. And here, okay, we are expecting, because the same, you can see previous resistance will be working as support. Along with that, you can see we have also marked the previous, not the previous, we have also the moving averages, the 50 and 100 moving average. So we can also see that we have dynamic support around this area, plus market shows strong price rejection around this area. So if we combine all the factors, that in case of a sudden or big drop in the market, we can expect that we have good buyers present around 2004 2005 level, but your stop loss should be below 2000 level. Okay, 2000 is a psychological level, so always, okay, be careful while trading near the psychological levels. And you can see we also have a FIBO around this area, so everything. So we can expect that by within next 2 or 3 days we will get a complete picture whether the market will break the level and continue the upside, or whether the market will just reverse from here and market remains sideways. And yes, let's look at the market sentiment once. You can see gold edges higher amid mild USD weakness. And if you look at the chart of DXY, you can see, my dear friends, that yeah, dollar index is not very strong right now. Dollar index is trading inside a range again. We discussed everything about the DXY in our last video on Saturday. So in case dollar drops, we can expect the next support around 104 and 103.70. And why dollar is weak? You can see dollar muted in thin holiday trade. Okay, so it's a holiday. If you look at the economic calendar, you can see there's bank holiday on US, so we can expect that dollar may not be very crazy today. But still, it's market full of surprises. Nobody knows. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and follow proper risk management. Do not gamble. Okay, so we are traders, not gamblers.